Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to buy Bitcoin on Wealthsimple. Now, I know there are a lot of different ways to buy Bitcoin, but I'm going to be focusing on Wealthsimple because it's a really easy and user-friendly platform. Before we get started, I just want to say that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not qualified to give you any specific recommendations. So, let's get started. How to buy Bitcoin on Wealthsimple. Create a Wealthsimple account. If you don't already have a Wealthsimple account, you'll need to create one. This is a simple process that just requires you to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Verify your identity. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to protect your account from fraud. Fund your account. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to fund your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Simply search for Bitcoin in the search bar and click on the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in either dollars or Bitcoin. Review and confirm your order. Once you've entered the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, you'll need to review and confirm your order. Your Bitcoin will be transferred to your wallet. Once your order is confirmed, your Bitcoin will be transferred to your Wealthsimple wallet. You can view your Bitcoin balance in the crypto section of your account. That's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Wealthsimple. Here are a few additional tips. You can buy and sell Bitcoin at any time. You can withdraw your Bitcoin from your Wealthsimple account at any time. Wealthsimple charges a fee for buying and selling Bitcoin. You can learn more about buying Bitcoin on Wealthsimple here. https://help.wealthsimple.com/hc/n-ca/articles/1500021998881-by-crypto. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing.